Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Milife classes. But first, we would like to thank you all for helping us to reach 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. In this video, we are going to look at 5 qualities that 21st century teachers must have. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Number 1. Communication skills. If a teacher can communicate well, then only he or she can explain a particular topic briefly and it improves the understanding of the subject. The teacher should explain a topic in such a way that it grabs the attention of the students and also develops the interest of subject. Having good communication skills doesn't mean only having good speaking skills, but also have some good listening skills. This helps in building good relationship. When there is good relationship between students and teachers, it makes learning fun and easy. Number 2. Deep subject knowledge. A teacher should have deep knowledge of the subject. Without this, it is impossible for teacher to make students learn more effectively. A teacher should not only teach the concepts which are given in the book, but also give them some out of the book's knowledge. A teacher should explain a topic and its subtopics in such a way that it seems easy and exciting to students. Making any topic seems easy and fun creates curiosity in students to learn beyond their books. A teacher should also have passion for that subject that he or she is teaching, because it has been proved that teachers' passion for the subject matters the most for effective teaching. If the teacher is not passionate about the subject, then the students will also be going to hate that class. Number 3. Creativity and imagination. A teacher must be creative. Creativity does not mean doing something new, but it is doing the same thing in new ways. According to Steve Jobs, creativity is just connecting things. When you ask creative people how they did something, they feel a little guilty because they did not really do it. They just saw something and it seemed obvious to them after a while. A teacher should also develop imagination skills in students, because Albert Einstein correctly said that imagination is more important than knowledge. In fact, imagination is the beginning of creating any theory or anything new. Imagination is something which is in mental form, and it is a skill to convert those mental thoughts and dreams into reality, which is essential and life-changing thing for students. Number 4. Experience sharing and motivating. A teacher should share his life experiences with the students. A teacher's experience can be useful for a student's life to learn more about society and real life, and it also inspires students to do something great and new. A teacher should always be motivating and appreciating to students. Students feel good when they are appreciated by someone, and then they try to keep doing good things. Number 5. In 21st century, the role of a teacher must be changed or modified to a mentor. A mentor is the one who guides, not teaches. A mentor appreciates and helps students in their life. He must not only guide about the subject, but also about their life. He should always give good ethics to his students. Developing discipline for life and giving good moral values is an important part of education. And here is a bonus point. Actually, it is the summarized point of all the points. And that is, a teacher must be a good human being himself. A teacher should teach those things which he or she also does, because most students do not follow what they are told. They do what they see other people are doing. So being a good example for them can help them to become most successful person and most happiest person in their life. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to like and share this video. Happy Teachers Day to all the Indian teachers. Be a good teacher and make our education system great again.